Good Monday morning. We are enjoying some sunshine again. And actually, for this time of the year, we're doing well with temperatures. Here's our Gwaltney Group camera from Assisi Heights. Time lapse for the morning. All the glorious sunshine out there across Rochester. Temperatures have been in the 20s all morning long, on our way back to the 30s. Here's a live look just a few minutes past 9 o'clock. On this Monday morning, I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt here in the studio, and we have some sunshine, temperatures mid-20s. Radar, we're tracking some very light activity that's approaching the area from the west. It's going to make its way in for the evening, a few very light snow showers and flurries. No accumulation expected out of that, but that's a little disturbance that's going to come in for tonight. Some cloud cover will come in ahead of that, so we'll see the sun, and then less and less of the sun moving forward. But even so, still looking at temperatures on the way to the mid-30s, which is pretty warm for this time of the year. So another reason to rejoice on this first day of the week, this Epiphany Monday here on this January 6th. Right now, looking live, we have some filtered sunshine at the studio. 26 degrees, that's warmer than the average high already for this time of the year. And here it is just mid-morning. 25 Mason City, Winona now at 30 degrees. Keep in mind, 23 is the average high for this time of the year. And again, as we saw yesterday, we had a high of 37 yesterday. We'll be just shy of that today. 26 with that west breeze, 11 miles per hour. 11 the wind chill. It's got a brisk breeze out there that's going to be with us most of the day, around 12, 13 miles per hour. So nagging breeze, but nothing we can't handle for this time of the year. 16 the wind chill in Rochester, Austin 25, 17 in Cresco. There's the day plan. I see the sun and then the clouds slowly creep in, and by afternoon, we're looking at mainly gray skies. By around 9, 10 o'clock tonight, some flurries come in. Sunset 4:47 today. There are those clouds. A couple of flurries may even impact our Iowa counties by mid-afternoon, but for the most part, we wait for the evening for most of us to see some of that activity coming out of Nebraska, moving into parts of Iowa, and then perhaps eventually grazing southern Minnesota. But here's the cold front that's going to come in tomorrow, and that will bring us some pretty gusty weather and eventually draw on some slightly cooler air. There's that futurecast looking at some of the snow that works its way in for this evening from the west. Of course, by the time it gets here, it's a little bit colder, so mainly very light snow. We see sprinkles being depicted to the west for the time being. But another mild day today. Temperatures on the way to the mid-30s. Flurries tonight, and then rain and snow with another system on Thursday. 26 right now in Rochester. It's 31. Sioux Falls up north, a little colder, but still typical weather, if not maybe a little better than the average. In Fargo, International Falls, Minot, Duluth. Here's futurecast. There's that little disturbance that comes in. I see a couple of flurries. That's about it for the evening. Here's that cold front that comes through tomorrow mid-morning. Swings to the area. We'll have temperatures tomorrow actually leveling off and then dropping in the afternoon with a few flakes maybe coming in, a couple of flurries. Then high pressure comes in for Wednesday. A very cold morning, single-digit morning lows, afternoon temperatures in low 20s. So probably the coldest stretch of weather of the week until maybe the weekend. Then we notice to the west there's a warm front coming in. That's coming out of the Dakotas. That will arrive on Thursday. Behind that, a shot of some light rain, perhaps mixing with some snow on Thursday. But really no snow accumulation out of anything until maybe Sunday, and that's going to be a minor system as well. 34 the high today in Rochester, Austin 39. 38 Decorah, 37 Algona, Iowa. Increasing cloud cover with southwest winds up to 15 miles per hour tonight. Light snow showers and flurries, 20 overnight. And tomorrow, blustery and cold, 27 west winds up to, at times reaching 25 miles per hour. There's that mixture on Thursday, mainly rain at this point though, and then some very light snow perhaps on Sunday. Temperatures all week long, very typical, if not better than average, for January. Keeping in mind, low and mid-20s would be typical. 30 would be really nice. We've been seeing that more often than not. We're going to see that at least a handful of times in the upcoming week. And today, we're again looking at some increasing cloud cover, some nuisance flurries, and some sloppier weather later this week with melting and freezing at times too. But nothing really intense on the horizon as far as large systems go. So we have that going on right now, a fairly quiet pattern, and temperatures pretty reasonable for this time of the year. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. See you back here tomorrow.